Alright guys, I'm going to try and get back onto a normal schedule. So What's Up Wednesdays are going to be the first and the third Wednesday of each month, and welcome to the first Wednesday of May. Thank you very much for tuning in. This week we're going to talk about the common mistakes, common stuff that comes up at the shop. So here we go.
In case you don't know who I am, my name's Dawn and I work here at Caprara Harley-Davidson. Thank you again for joining me. Headed to work today. Today is Saturday actually. And it's going to be a gorgeous day. It's going to be flat out busy all day. I can tell already. Just because everybody's got cabin fever, getting out, getting riding, getting back to what's sort of like normal for most people. So that's why I'm also going to get back to normal, or start getting back to normal. What is normal anyways? Who the hell knows? Normal is whatever you make it, I guess. And some of the normal questions that we get here at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson, some of the normal problems, I guess, that come up for some riders. Alright, so what are some of the normal questions, some of the normal problems that come up at the shop? Well, some of the most common ones are, that my bike's been sitting forever and now the battery's dead. Is my battery under warranty? Well, short answer is no. That's because the batteries are a wear item, kind of like your oil, kind of like your headlamp bulbs, unless you have the LEDs. And that's a consumable item. So no, unless like you just got the battery and for whatever reason it's not holding a charge, and you put it on the battery tender and it's not holding a charge, and you just got it, like I said. So the best thing that you can do, especially if you're not riding for a while, it's like spring up here in northern New York, so we've had a week of rain and 40-degree weather, so it hasn't exactly been good riding weather until today. And you definitely want to make sure you put your bike on a battery tender, even if it's like the middle of summer and you're not going to be riding for a week. It's not a bad idea to throw it on a battery tender. It certainly won't hurt anything. It keeps your battery fresh, and that way your bike will start when you are ready to ride. Alright, another thing that we get at the shop is the call that my bike won't start. I just picked it up from service, or I just got it home, and now my bike won't start. And especially on the older bikes, one thing I always forgot to do, or I freaked out about, I used to have a 2004 Dyna Super Glide, loved that bike, and it was carbureted and had the key behind the seat, so I always had to remember to pull out the choke and let it warm up for sure. But whenever I'd bring it in for service, I had this really bad habit of turning the bike off using the key. And You're really not supposed to do that. It's kind of like shutting down the computer just by turning it off instead of pressing the whole start and then shut down computer buttons. That allows it to shut down properly, and then you can turn off the power. It's kind of the same thing for the bikes. If you have a bike that has a key, a lot of the newer bikes, like mine, my 2018 Heritage, does not have a key in the ignition. So with my bike, all I have to do is make sure that the run switch is set to on, and then start the bike. That's it. That's all I have to do. So if your run switch is not set to on, your bike's not going to start. So before you call us, make sure that run switch is set to on, and then try and start your bike. And again, before you call us, saying, I know my run switch is set to on and my bike's still not starting. Again, with the newer bikes, is it in gear? A lot of the newer bikes will not start if the bike is in gear and you're not holding the clutch in. Yeah, it's one of those little safety features so you don't end up having your bike fly forward a couple of feet. You know, safety first. Another no bike start problem that we get calls for. Now you've gone through, okay, yes, the runs buttons on 70 and a 55. I guess I should slow down. I'll set my cruise. There we go. Now I don't have to worry about speeding. Or getting caught speeding. Anyways, so you've gone through the run switch is set to on and the bike is not in gear, it's in neutral, and your bike still won't start. Check your key fob battery. If your bike has security, factory security on it, check that key fob battery. It might need to be replaced. And before you call us saying, yes, I replaced the key fob battery and the bike still won't start, flip that battery upside down. I guarantee that's what it is. And I know this because it happens every year. In fact, I've already gotten a phone call about it this year. My bike won't start. I just replaced the key fob battery and it must need to be reprogrammed. Get me over to service. Okay, you know what? Hold on. Do me a favor. Flip that battery over in your key fob and then try it. Oh, I know how to put in a battery. No, I know you know how to put in a battery, and the battery probably fit okay, but trust us, just because it's those little CR32 batteries, and it's really, really hard to tell what's plus and what's negative on that. Sort of reminds me of that Toy Story clip where Woody's going, plus is positive, minus is negative, oh, let me! Yeah, so flip that key fob battery over, and then if your bike still doesn't start, then call us back. And that customer hasn't called us back yet, so it must have been the key fob battery was in there upside down.
Yeah. There we go. All right, so thank you very much for going with me to work. If you like this video, make sure and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. I need coffee, so I'm gonna go get that. Y'all have a great day, and until the next What's Up Wednesday, be safe and have fun, everybody.